Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from Remitly to your TD Bank account in 2025. If you're dealing with international transfers or just need to move funds quickly, this guide is for you. First off, Remitly is a user-friendly app that makes sending money abroad a breeze, and TD Bank is one of Canada's leading banks, so linking them up is straightforward. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download the Remitly app from your app store or visit their website. Once you're there, sign up for an account if you haven't already. You'll need to provide some basic info like your email, phone number, and a secure password. Don't forget to verify your identity. It's quick and ensures your transfers are safe. Next, log into your Remitly account and navigate to the Send Money section. Here, you'll add a new recipient. Enter your TD Bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and the name on the account. Double-check everything to avoid any delays. Accuracy is key. Now, for the fun part. Select the amount you want to transfer and choose your funding source, like a debit card or bank account. Remitly might show you exchange rates and fees up front, which is handy for 2025's potential updates to faster processing times. Review the details, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email or notification almost instantly. Once sent, keep an eye on your TD Bank app or online banking for the funds to arrive. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025 enhancements, it could be even quicker. Pro tip: always monitor for any fees and consider the current exchange rates to maximize your money. And that's it, you've successfully transferred money from Remitly to TD Bank. If you run into any issues, Remitly's customer support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.